Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll just be showing you a hack that I saw on YouTube for like beginners makeup, and I just wanted to share with you guys. So my final thoughts on this hack is I think it works pretty good, especially for like a beginner, because like I said, I'm just starting to get into color. My nieces and my sister, they love color and eyeshadows, and I was inspired by them this weekend to try some color. And I have a lot of color to choose from, and I just wanted to try this hack out. So I saw it and was like, this looks pretty easy, and I think, like I said, it works out pretty good. I feel like for a beginner starting out with color, and I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and take care until next time. Bye.